The Lift Master Boom is a versatile and essential tool for any industrial setting. This heavy-duty attachment is designed to easily lift and transport heavy loads with precision and ease. Constructed with high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship, this boom fork is built to last and withstand the toughest working conditions. The 15-degree angle design allows for optimal visibility and accessibility, making it easier to maneuver and position loads with accuracy. With a weight capacity of up to 4,000 pounds, this boom fork is ideal for lifting a wide range of materials and equipment. The 24-inch length provides ample space for securing and stabilizing loads, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Whether you're working in a warehouse, construction site, or manufacturing facility, the Lift Master Boom 15-DEG-4K 24-inch fork is a must-have accessory for improving efficiency and productivity. Its versatile design and superior strength make it the perfect tool for handling heavy loads and maximizing operational capabilities. Invest in the Lift Master Boom 15-DEG-4K 24-inch fork today and experience the convenience and precision of a top-of-the-line industrial attachment. Streamline your workflow and take your lifting capabilities to the next level with this durable and dependable boom fork. With its exceptional quality and performance, this product is sure to become an essential asset in your workplace. Check out all of our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in the field of material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.